let us make some powdered or confectioner's sugar. I am using 1 cup of granulated sugar here. That's the only one. I didn't need too much. Also cornstarch. The reason for the cornstarch is it helps to keep the powdered sugar nice and dry and airy, I suppose, or flaky, or pretty desiccated. So that's why you need the cornstarch. But only 2 ingredients, and you can use any type of sugar. Coconut sugar, almond sugar, whatever other kind, cane sugar can be used for this. Anyone, and you would have your confectioner's sugar or icing sugar or powdered sugar, whatever it is that you're using it for. Clearly here I was really trying to get that thing super tight. That's hilarious. All right, and now you just blend. I blended this for about a minute or 2, taking breaks in between so I don't burn out the motor of my blender. And that's it, guys. That's absolutely all that you need to do. Just blend it and you would have your perfect confectioners or powder sugar or icing sugar. That is it. Look at that dust or that smoke that's coming from it. Look how nice and powdery it is. Look at the feel of it. Very silky smooth. You may have a little bit of granules, but that's okay. It's perfect for whatever recipe it is. There you have it, guys.